Hey, I'm Elijah with Paid Memberships Pro, and today I'm going to walk you through the available PM Pro security settings to help you protect your site, as well as protect your membership checkout from spam. To get to the PM Pro security settings, go to Memberships, Settings, Security in the WordPress admin panel. The first section is Spam Protection. Here you can see the status of the Akismet plugin and install it if it's not already present. This plugin comes pre-installed on most WordPress sites and integrates with PM Pro to protect membership checkout forms from abuse. Next, you can enable or disable login and checkout form spam protection. When enabled, this will identify and block IPs when they trigger more than 10 checkout or login failures within 15 minutes. The final two options allow you to enable reCAPTCHA and Cloudflare Turnstile, two important spam and bot protection tools for your membership forms. Both options require some additional setup, including API keys from either Google or Cloudflare respectively. When you enable them, you'll see the fields for plugging in the required information. Next up is the restricted files section. PM Pro creates a protected directory with a randomized name to store files that should not be publicly available, like payment gateway debug log files. You can also store members-only files in the directory and restrict access to them using the PM Pro Can Access Restricted File filter, or the Protected Downloads add-on if you'd prefer a no-code approach. If your site is on an Apache server, this folder will automatically be restricted from public access at the server level. On Nginx servers, however, there's some configuration required to ensure the folder is inaccessible to the public. Just copy and paste the provided server config code into your Nginx configuration file, or ask your hosting provider to do it for you. That brings us to the HTTPS settings. Here you can turn on Force SSL to force all URLs to use the SSL protocol. There's also a JavaScript redirects option you can choose if turning this on causes too many redirects. Note that Force SSL must be enabled if your site uses SSL. The extra HTTPS URL filter option, if enabled, passes all generated HTML on your site through a filter to identify non-HTTPS URLs on pages using HTTPS and convert them automatically. This is especially helpful if you're seeing HTTPS related warnings in the browser dev console on your checkout pages. PM Pro will detect whether you're behind a DNS firewall and give you a status indicator. If there's no DNS firewall detected, we recommend setting one up, since it can help with distributed denial of service or DDoS protection. Providers like Cloudflare also offer a content delivery network or CDN that speeds up the delivery of assets like images on your site. Additionally, Cloudflare's protections include a web application firewall, or WAF, to block common attacks, prevent credential stuffing attacks, and detect malware in uploaded files. We strongly recommend using Cloudflare and its available security options for your PM Pro sites. Finally, we have our WordPress security settings. Here you can see whether PM Pro has detected an active security plugin on your site. It will detect and indicate the presence of popular security plugins like Malcare, WordFence, and Solid Security. We recommend installing Malcare if you're self-hosting your PM Pro site, but if you go this route, make sure not to run multiple security plugins simultaneously, as that often causes problems on WordPress sites. PM Pro Max customers, whose sites are hosted by us, are protected automatically by daily malware and compromise checks, with our operations team being notified if there are any issues. PM Pro Max sites are also protected by Cloudflare, a server-level firewall, a login-driven ban system, and several other layers of security. If you don't want to worry about security and would rather it all be managed for you, PM Pro Max is a fantastic option. Now you know which PM Pro security settings are available and how to protect your membership checkout from spam. When configuring these settings, the recommended minimum setup is turn on the spam protection option to block IPs that are repeatedly failing to log in or check out, and make sure sure to enable SSL and all relevant related options. We also strongly recommend putting your site behind Cloudflare and using a security plugin such as Malcare if you're not already using PM Pro Max, which takes care of all of this for you. To learn more about Paid Memberships Pro and get started for free, visit paidmembershipspro.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of our channel for more helpful content about how to run your own membership site.